Learn how to make a cell phone charging station out of an old shutter and wall shelves. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'll show you how. For this project, you'll need an old shutter and some wall shelves. I salvaged a shutter and purchased inexpensive shelves from a thrift store. I spray painted the shutter and wall shelves, then waited for the paint to dry. Once dry, I secured the shelves to the shutter with screws and prepared to add the shutter to the wall. I plugged the charging cables into a power USB hub or USB charging station to hide the cables. I pulled each one through the shutter openings, then secured the shutter to the wall with screws. Next, I plugged in the cell phone and placed it on the wall shelf. An easy way to recharge. Want to check out more fun projects? Be sure to visit me on social media to see what I'm working on now. I'm Shayla Reaves, and until next time, happy crafting.